Welcome back. You probably heard about that horrific deadly fire in the Bronx this week. And in the wake of that, we're taking an in-depth look at fire safety and prevention.
Vicki Nguyen has some tips that could save you and your family if there's a fire in your home.
The Bronx apartment fire, a tragic example of the deadly power of residential fires. The FDNY says a faulty door to the burning apartment stayed open, allowing smoke to spread.
The door, when it was fully open, stayed fully opened because it malfunctioned.
Investigators also looking at risks posed by an everyday appliance used by millions of Americans in the winter months.
We're certain that the fire started with a faulty electrical heater, portable heater.
A flawed space heater sparking a blaze. It's more common than you might think. The latest data show 81% of home heating fire deaths involve stationary or portable space heaters. So if you're using one, set it up safely.
And as the name suggests, give the heater some space. Keep it at least 3 feet away from anything flammable like this dog bed, and always plug it directly into the wall. Never a power strip.
Keep the space heater away from curtains, bedding, and upholstered furniture. Turn it off when you go to bed or leave the room. And only use space heaters with a tag from an approved testing lab. Also beware that electrical malfunctions, cooking, and unattended open flames are leading causes of residential fires too. So have a plan. At the New York City Fire Training Academy, the FDNY took us inside one of their drills.
Tell us what we're going to see today.
We prepared a scenario so we can demonstrate how fire and smoke travel throughout a high-rise building in the event of a fire.
The FDNY triggers this controlled fire to show you just how quickly flames can spread.
Fire will begin to consume the room, and if the door is not closed, we'll exit into the hallway with smoke and affect the rest of the building.
This is key. With the door to that room wide open, the flames intensify, shooting towards the open doorway. But watch what happens when the door is shut. A big difference. The flames are contained inside the room.
How come having the door closed makes such a big difference?
If that door is closed to confine the fire to that area, the rest of the building will remain habitable.
But in a high-rise fire, should you stay or should you try to evacuate? Fire experts say if the fire is in your room, exit, stay low, and go, using the stairs, not the elevator.
You want to stay low below the smoke because the smoke will rise.
But if the fire is not near you or in your room, grab a wet towel and cover the bottom of the door to block smoke. Then wait for instructions. It may sound counterintuitive, but fire experts say many high-rise buildings are equipped with building materials that are designed to limit the spread of fire. So if you're not close to the source of the flames, you may be safer waiting for the fire department.
We've had fires in these type of non-combustible high-rise multiple dwellings where the contents of the fire apartment was completely incinerated, but yet if you went to the adjoining apartment on either side, it didn't even look like there was a fire in the building.
Know the building you're in, keep the doors closed in case of fire, and remember, sometimes it's best to stay put. Tips to help you get out alive.